Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove fake McAfee virus alert pop-up notifications. The many people face this problem while using their browser. These alerts are usually not real and come from websites sending spam notifications. So don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser, like Chrome. Once it opens, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Now inside Settings, find and click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down a little and click on Site Settings. This section controls what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Now scroll down again and click on View Permissions and Data Store Across Sites. Here you will see a list of all websites that have stored data and permissions in your browser. You may notice many unnecessary or unknown websites in this list. These are often the reason behind fake pop-up notifications. So what you need to do is delete these unwanted cookies and website data. Simply remove or clear all the suspicious or unnecessary sites from here. After deleting them, your problem should be fixed and those fake McAfee pop-up notifications will stop appearing. So that's it. Before you go, make sure to like the video, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.